Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a view on the constellation. So few things I'm gonna teach you on the views. The first item we are going to say is collapsible view. We all know in Pega 7 or 8 we had a collapsible view, but whereas in Pega constellation it is not straightforward. So I'll show you how we can add the collapsible view. To add that, first we need to do the create field group. So when you click on that, you will be having an option here, collapsible. Just do check, add the heading here, for example, address details 1 and do submit. And then you need to add the field under this field group. Let me go here. I'm gonna select the field called name. Let me select first name, last name, and phone number, address. Let me choose 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's do save. So now you can see on the left side, you see the collapsible, the expanded icon here. Okay, so if you want to add one more, in the same way, click on add and click on this create field group. And here we can add our heading like address details 2 and click on this checkbox and do submit. And under this, the same way, click on this plus icon, click the field. Here we can select name, first name, last name, phone number, address, address 1, 2, 3. Do add. Now you see, so we added two sections over here. Two views over here for the expanded icon. Let me do save now. Let me run and see. Create delivery request. So here we see enter the address details, first name, last name. When you scroll down, you see the address details too. Now, how we can make this as a reusable one? Let me go back. So instead of adding this field directly, so what we can do, we can add a view over here. Let me create a view. I'll name this as a address details. Submit. So just click on this view. Let me go here. We can mention the column here, like how many column we want. I'm gonna keep this as a 2 column. And here you can go to the field, enter the first name, last name, phone, phone number, address, 1, 2, 3. Now do add. Now you have your details over here. You can see how the preview looks like. This is how it looks. If you want to update the column layout as 3, you can update it. Based on the requirement, you can update it. Now I'm gonna keep this as a 2 column layout. Let me submit. Go back to the configure view. Now the same view I'm gonna refer here. Just go to the views. We see the address details. Here it is. So this is how we had the reusable view. Let me do the save. We'll run and see. delivery request. Here we can see this is how it looks like. So you see by default this is expanded, right? So this is a bug reported in Pega. It's not a bug actually. This has been done for the uh, on the purpose only they have made it for the accessibility. So we have requested for the fix for this because the business users will be always expecting for the collapsed one. So if we need it, then we can expand and see that is how the business works. So this is one of the known bug we have in Pega Constellation. Now let me do submit. Let me close this. So this has been done. Now you see here we have two heading, right? So if you want to have only one heading, we can go to the views and disable this heading. Then you will be having only one heading over here. You see the address details. The address details on the view has been disappeared. The same way we will be doing here as well. Yeah, this has been disappeared. And for the field, if you want to have any visibility only for the particular condition you want to display this, you can do it here. Like whatever condition you want to add over here, you can add and submit. This is how we had a collapsible view for the section. Okay. Now let me go back. So let me open the view. So if you want to control the visibility of the property, we have an option here, like how we had in the lower versions. The same way we have here on the helper text placeholder. If you want to keep anything, we can keep, and all other information like record, whether we want to disable, all these things we have in the property level. Okay, that's all for the today's session. I'll come up with a new topic on the next session. Probably on the next session, I'll be covering on the table view using the data object. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.